Right now, our global system is wobbling. We are sitting in an unstable transition zone, caught between the ecological burnout of our current economy and the risk of a fragmented, chaotic breakdown. To understand our options, we map four global futures. Our position is in the center, caught between resource depletion and system failure. The path we're aiming for is the long repair. Reaching this requires carving a difficult path upward, away from collapse. Individual citizens do not steer the moves of nation-states or global markets. Because those macro systems are out of our control, your true agency exists strictly within the physical ground you touch, your immediate zip code. Since we cannot turn the whole board, the most practical intervention is to build a four-step resilience blueprint. This methodology is designed to insulate your household from the economic shocks that happen at the higher levels of the map. We often view the modern home as an independent fortress. In reality, it is a highly vulnerable endpoint dependent on distant, invisible, and fragile networks. This illustrates just-in-time supply chains. Optimized for speed, they have no buffers. When a choke point fails, disruption cascades rapidly to the consumer level. Your first step, audit one critical dependency, like food or energy, and shift to a regional provider. This could mean subscribing to a community-supported agriculture farm for your vegetables, or installing a rain catchment system to reduce reliance on municipal water for your garden. The goal is to create resilient buffers, not to achieve total autarky. Trying to go entirely off-grid alone is a trap that leads to exhaustion rather than security. Step 2 moves from supplies to human capital. Our current economy is built on a throwaway culture, where things are replaced rather than fixed. Building resilience requires a shift back toward a repair culture. Identify one physical maintenance skill and commit to learning it this month. This might be mending clothes, some basic plumbing, or maintaining a small engine. By learning to maintain what you own, you decrease reliance on external services and global manufacturing. This shift from spectator to participant begins to change the household from a vulnerable endpoint into a more competent node. Step 3 moves the plan beyond your property line. Individual household skills are a start, but they hit a limit without a supporting local network. Attempting to navigate a global transition in total isolation often leads to a fearful hoarder mentality. That mindset eventually drains your own resources and erodes the security of the neighborhood. You can find islands of coherence by looking for pre-existing groups that already practice the principles of the long repair. Search out and attend a meeting for a local transition town, a makerspace, or a repair cafe. These are the nodes where local resilience is already being built. We call this the trust switchback. It is a deliberate social path carved into the community, and in a crisis, this trust becomes a functional currency. Waiting until a crisis actively occurs to introduce yourself to your neighbors is a severe risk. At that point, suspicion is the default response, not cooperation. Step 4 is to execute one practical resource-sharing connection with a neighbor today. Lend a tool, share garden produce, or offer a specific skill. Practical social trust provides your neighborhood with options. It helps bridge the gap between a collection of houses and a functional support network that can react to local needs before a crisis demands it. Review your completed architecture, the shortened supply chain, the new maintenance skill, the community node, and the foundation of neighbor trust. While these 4 buffers cannot stop macro-level instability or global events, they determine how those events are experienced on your own street. They shape your lived reality when larger systems fail to deliver. The future is not a locked door. The physical ground you touch, your household and community, is your strongest point of intervention in an uncertain decade. Global headlines often generate a sense of helpless anxiety. In contrast, physical community competence provides a tangible way to build security in the places where you actually live. Take your completed blueprint now. Select the easiest single item on your list and execute it today. We have built our world on a high-stakes assumption that our industrial momentum is as unsinkable as the steel hulls we once set into the Atlantic. But the elephant in the room has grown too large to ignore, moving out of our private shadows and into the center of our lives. This is the meta-crisis, the tipping point where the stories of endless growth collide with the physical limits of our planet. The Lifeboat Mini Course is your immediate, structured transition, a free 5-day journey delivered to your inbox to transform global anxiety into local resilience. Day 1 begins with an audit of the invisible, the energy and water systems you rely on every hour, yet rarely ever see. Day 2 forces a change in your geographical lens, challenging you to locate your true home within your watershed and local bioregion. You won't navigate this terrain alone. You will receive daily study guides and synthesized patterns designed to cut through the noise and reveal the architecture of change. Day 3 asks you to practice active hope in a world facing ecological overshoot. Day 4 introduces the demanding standard of revolutionary love. By tracing the water back to your neighbor's tap, you move beyond the narrow walls of self-help and into the expansive, interconnected practice of systems health. The climax arrives on Day 5 with the introduction of a specific framework for your future, the 9x21 harvest. Who is your mutual guiding spirit in this transition, and which 9 things will you choose to do? Stop waiting for the headlines to crush you. Sign up for the Lifeboat mini course now. Access your Day 1 materials immediately and join the community hub where the next story of our world is already being written.
You can remain tied to the illusion of a collapsing global credit card, or take this course to begin building real systems health today. The Earth is tired of the lie. It is time to dance with the truth.